Yes, dear friends. Again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in this channel, specifically, I'm dealing with the VTU Lab 18MEL66. So, that is computer aided, computer aided modeling and analysis lab. So, in this problem, I'm going to tell you how to solve rectangular plate with a hole problem. Okay, so this is B means breadth and this is the width. So this is 60 and this is 40 they have given, and 2000 Newton load is applied at both the ends. So diameter of the circle is 10. So here it is given diameter of the circle is 10. Okay, and the thickness is 1 mm. Here thickness is 1 mm. Okay. So first let us open the ANSYS software. Preferences, structural, okay, preprocessor, element type, add. So now I am going to pick solid quadratic for node 188. Okay, close, real constants, add. Okay, so it is not supporting. Sorry, just a minute. Plane, element, and I am going to read it once again. Solid quadratic node 4 node, it is correct. So okay, so element type, real constants, add. Okay, yes, sorry here students. So the why I am getting the error is here I have not given options with plane stress with thickness. Only it is plane stress is there. So plane stress with thickness, when I given this option, that time only it will allow me to give the real constant. Real constant is nothing but what? The thickness of the, here see, the thickness of the rectangular. So the thickness of the rectangle is 1 because 1 mm it is given. Okay, close, material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. So what is the E value here? E value is 210 GPa and position source I have given 0.3. E is 210 e to the power 3 and position source is 0.3. Okay, close this, come to the software. Next, modeling, create. Now I am going to choose the option areas, rectangle by 2 corners. See how I'll model is. So now just I am going to model 1/4 of the plate. So 1/4 means, so this will be 30 and this will be 20. Am I right? So now I am going to model 1/4 of the plate with as a whole as it is. The whole should be at the center. Okay. So to model this, this is 0, this is 0, this is 30 and this is 20. Okay. So the rectangle is being created. So next is what? Again in the same create option, I have also have to create circle, solid circle. So this is 0, 0 and radius is 5 because diameter they have given 10 and radius will become 5. See now this is been created as I already explained now. So I have only created 1/4 of the plate and later I am going to change it to the full plate. Okay. So next, what is my next is I have to delete this circle. So in order to delete this circle, operate, booleans, subtract, areas. First click on the rectangle, say apply, then click on the first click on the rectangle, say apply, then click on the circle, then give OK. So now that circle is being deleted from the rectangle. Next is what? Meshing. Here I am going to pick the mesh tool. I am going to click on smart size and I am bringing it to 2. Mesh. Come and click on this area. Okay. So now it is taking what the mesh is, fine mesh I have given. Next is loads. Define loads. Apply. Displacement. See, first I have to give the symmetric boundary condition because I had created the plate 1/4 of the plate. So for that, what I'll be doing, symmetric boundary condition online, pick this, just change what is happening on these two lines. Okay. See, yes is been created. Yes is been created. It means symmetric boundary condition is given. Otherwise, I'll change the background and I'll show you. No, it is not visible. Better we'll change it to the black only. Yes, sorry. Plot controls, style, colors, reverse. Okay. So that is also gone. Force, instead of force, I am going to pressure. See here, actually the force is given 2000 Newton, but I know the relationship that force is equal to pressure into area. When I want pressure is equal to force by area, force is 2000 and area is nothing but this 40 into thickness. The thickness is 1. So 2000 divided by 40 into 1 will give 50. Okay. So pressure on lines, pick this as well as this. So now I have to give as what? Minus 50 here. Understood? Minus 50 here in both the dialog box. And say OK. Okay, so the pressure value is created. Now how to go for solution? Solve current LS. Yes, I have got the solution is done dialog box. So in this, just I am interested to see the stress value. What may be the stress value? Yes, when I get error like this, so I have to give the input as set comma all, then hit enter. Okay, now again go back and cross check. Yes, so actually if you solve the problem theoretically we'll be getting 162 or 164, but here I am getting 158. Yes, of course it is acceptable answer. Yes, to make the plate whole plate, it is 1/4 only is there. Plot controls, style, symmetric option, periodic, click 1/4. Okay. So now I have got the full plate. If you want the image, style, color, reverse video, plot controls, capture image. So this is how to take the image. So again, if you want to go back to the 1/4 plate, style, symmetric expansion, periodic, no expansion. Okay. So again, if you want to change the background, you can change by doing so. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.